Hello everybody, we're here on the layout and you hear some noise of locomotives running. The smooth sound is a Cato. The kind of noisy sound is coming from an Athearn Genesis. Now listen to that sound. It's a little bit noisy. I'm not sure if there's some, dried up lubrication there, but listen to the smooth sound of the Cato. Pretty amazing, the sound differential. Now, this Athearn Genesis, what is that? I keep forgetting the name of this one. It was CSX MP15-AC. That's the model type. It's a beautiful looking model, but it's a little noisy. I don't know if that's naturally part of it, if it's because it's been in the box so long, what have you. But it definitely's got a whiny, sort of grindy sound. And I can't see it right now, but I sure can hear it. I don't know, maybe if I relubricate it might be better. But I thought it might be fun to test it against a non-Genesis Athearn, which is a newer generation, but not as smancy as the Genesis line. And here it is coming again. And see how this older model sounds. And then we're going to test it against a Bluebox SD40. This Bluebox SD40, they stopped production quite a while ago. I think back in the 90s. I got to check that. And this one doesn't even have its whatchamacallit on. It doesn't have its packet of details on it yet. And this one, I think, comes already with the, this has got that sleeve thing going on, which makes it hard to get out. But I want to see how these guys sound. Since this one is easier to take out, you could see this is a classic Bluebox locomotive. It's a beautiful construction. It's just hard to beat. Sometimes a design comes along, whether it's a real thing, meaning full scale, or a toy, that's just hard to beat. And people try to beat it and make things better, and it may not. It's a little noisy here. Now, the odds that I put this on perfectly in one shot. Ooh. Oh my gosh. All right. The Bluebox is quieter. And it's running out of the box. It's got to be like 30 years old. There's no lubrication. It was never run. And she's off and run. I'm telling you, this Bluebox, man, you just can't beat it. This is incredible. I'm curious to see what this other design does. Okay, there's the Cato.